And now you have people shitting in my toilet, my literal toilet of my house where I live, dropping a deuce. And I call the landlord and say they broke in again. They shat in my toilet. Please help. Please install cameras in the fucking hallway. And this lady says, you're crazy. You guys are sad and fucking sorry, dude. For real. You're losers. You basically went back into my videos, saw all the ways that I've been harmed before, and rather than taking an effort to help me with that, you decided to just make it worse for me and to reenact it. I wish you nothing but indictments, all of you. I wish you spend the rest of your fucking life rotting away in a prison cell for every fucking second that you have stolen from me and my kids of life, of living, of happiness. Should I be sitting here crying about all the times I've been raped? Or should I be fucking smiling somewhere being taken care of like a fucking princess?